Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla from Pumps and Pouts. If you're a first-time viewer, welcome. Today, I am going to be showing you guys how I just do like my simple everyday makeup, quick, trying to get out the door. So literally it takes me about 20 minutes. I timed it in this video, but you know, me showing you the product, so it was a little longer. It was like 23 minutes. But so really, to be honest, I think it does take me about 20 minutes to put on something quick and get on out the door. So I'll just be showing you this little natural look. It's just something simple, easy, natural, not over the top, not super glam or anything. It's, I've added a little glam in there just because I cannot. So the one day I do get up and have to go down to the office for work, this is what I do. I make it really quick and simple because I really have to get out of the door really quick, and I wake up super early in order to get down to the nearest town to hop on the park and ride bus and then ride all the way down to the city. So I ain't got time to do a whole full face, nor do I be in the mood to because I'm tired. So this is it. So if you want to stick around and see how I do it and see how long it takes me to do this, keep watching. Alright, so let's get started. I am going to time this because I want to see how long it really takes me to slap on a quick face and get out of the door. So we're gonna go ahead and do a stopwatch and go. First, I'm gonna put on some primer, and this is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer here. It's probably not a good idea to really time this actually because I'm going to be like in between showing you the product. So we'll kind of guesstimate what it's going to do. Alright. And so then now I'm going to put on my foundation, and this is the CoverGirl True Blend foundation. This is probably one of my favorite foundations to use, and this is shade D70. So I really like this one a lot. A, because it matches my skin perfectly. And two, it's very lightweight and it's also transfer resistant, which is a huge plus. So definitely a fan favorite. And it lasts. I mean, it lasts all day. I usually wear this one to work, and it lasts all day for me. So love, love, love. Now, I'm doing my brows. I recently just got the new Glossier Brow Flick here. And I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use the Boy Brow with it. This new pen here, it has like a felt tip marker, and you just kind of drag it upwards on your, giving you little strokes to fill in your brow some. That gives you a nice, good, natural looking brow, which I like. And then I'm going to go back over it with Boy Brow, kind of thicken it and fluffing it up a little bit. And then I usually take a little concealer and just kind of line up the bottom a little bit, just so it's not all over the place. I'm going to take that same concealer, which is actually, this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, and this is in Mocha. And so then I just take this kind of underneath my eyes, cover up some of those baggies a little bit. Put a little on my lid just to kind of give me a little base. And honestly, that's good. In the T-zone. And that's it. Cool, cool, cool. Now I am going to just do a little light contouring, and this is the e.l.f. contour palette. And so I'm just going to kind of warm up around my face a little bit, and then give me a little bit of a contour going on. Then I am going to do my eyes. Actually, I'm going to do my eyes before I do my cheek color and all that stuff. I'm going to put a little bit more primer on my crease area because I swear this heat has just my eyelids sliding out everywhere. So it doesn't like holding shadow this time of the year whatsoever without a primer. So I'm going to actually go back to my contour palette here, and I'm going to use that the same brown shade I used for everywhere else, and I'm going to use that onto the crease area of my eye and kind of onto my lid as well. Now I'm going to add a little shimmer to my lid. I'm going to use the Shayla ColourPop palette, this Proceed with Caution palette, and I'm just going to use this really pretty bronze shade she has on here. And I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lid. A bronze shimmer lid has been like my go-to for the past few months. I just want like a simple glam, not trying to overdo it, but I still want a little bit of shimmer. So I just put like a skin tone kind of bronze color on my lid, and it makes it pop a little bit. Now I'm going to blush and highlight, and I'm going to be using ColourPop's new blush sticks and their light sticks. So I'm going to use Pretty Thing and Boss. So oops, these are these here. They're the two shades here I'm going to use. I'm like been loving these. I got 3 blush shades and 2 of their highlight shades, and these are like definitely my favorite to use for sure. I'm just gonna dab that into my cheeks. I love those a lot because they give you like kind of that flush from within, like you weren't like trying to overdo it. So it looks very natural and pretty. And then I'm just gonna go back over with the light stick. Ooh, kind of put a little bit too much on, but we'll blend it out. It's all good. And that's pretty much it. And then I like sprayed up. I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Spray. I absolutely love this setting spray here. This is a really, really good one to use. And then for a lip color, I'm just gonna throw on this Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint here. And this is in their, what shade is this? This is Naughty Mauve. God, I can't see. I'm blinded with that, y'all. And it's just like a nice little tint, like a sheer tint when I don't want like a heavy lip color. Okay, and then last, I put on some mascara. And this is the Glossier Lash Slick. This is one of my favorite mascaras as well to use. So I just take some of this. And keep these lashes up. Alright, and voila, that is it. So that's it, and stop. It says, is that right? Yeah, okay. So it says 23 minutes. And I'm gonna take off like maybe, let's take off 3 minutes. Because I think, you know, me showing the product, that's, you know, that's a little bit between it. So I think it takes me at least about 20 minutes to do this entire look. Not bad though. I think I did pretty good. But yeah, that's it. This is how I do my makeup when I get ready for work. Simple, quick, out the door. All right, so that was pretty easy, right? And pretty quick. 20 minutes, that's about pretty much how long it takes. Especially when I'm trying to get out of the house. I'm not trying to do the most and look the most in an office setting. To be honest, nobody's looking at me, and nor do I really care for anybody to look at me. I just want to not look scary and terrifying like I didn't sleep all night. So that's about it. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you love it, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get as many videos up and as fast as I possibly can now, instead of months apart at a time. So I'm starting to get them in a little faster. I hope you guys are noticing that, and I hope you guys are happy with the content that I am creating. If you are, let me know in the comment box. Don't be scared to talk to me. I like having conversations, y'all. You know, you can find me on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook. I'm trying to like cross post some of these videos, so you'll probably also see this on Instagram TV, or if you're watching this on Instagram, you will see this on YouTube. You watch wherever you feel comfortable watching. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.